Hey guys, I'm Sara Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor and designer. When designing a deck, I want to make sure that it's big enough for all the entertaining purposes, but also making sure that it scales to the yard just right. I start by sketching out the space, taking some measurements, drawing it up, and then figuring out what colors and decor that I'd like to use for the space. For this project, we're going to talk about elevating your porch with pops of color, statement pieces, and plants. This is a really easy way to add style and personality. The deck is made out of Fiberon's patent-pending Permatech technology, which is more durable and longer lasting than regular wood. My clients love it because it's low maintenance, they don't need to do any sealers on it or paint it, and it's really easy to keep clean and long lasting. Here are a few tips to elevate your patio space. Tip 1, pops of color. I like to keep the color story cohesive and clean, so picking 1 to 3 accent colors is the most that I'll do because you want to really make them pop. If you pick too many colors, it gets diluted. Tip 2, plants. The patio should feel like a transitional space from the home into the garden. You can use inviting furniture to feel like an extension of the home, and then bring in some garden elements like potted plants to bring the garden onto the patio, creating the perfect transitional space. On this patio, we added some pops of pink to break up the gray and blue tones and add some personality and playfulness. Also, I love Fiberon Furniture by Brazesta. You can choose from a curated collection and hand select the colors that complement your outdoor space. Here it is in sea glass. Tip 3, statement pieces. Add a bonsai tree or something similar for decorative eye candy. With pops of color, plants, and statement pieces, you can completely transform your deck in such a simple way.